Okay guys, welcome back to our YouTube online tutorial video. Okay, in the previous class I have discussed with you about the formation of image in a plane mirror, that is the virtual image. Okay, I have explained to you the two laws of this one, the law of reflection, that is the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of the refraction. Okay, and the other one is the incident ray, the refracted ray. Okay, they all lie in the same plane. Now here in the next type of image, we are going to study about the real image. Now just by listen to the topic itself or to the subtopic itself, you will understand that the term real, it means it is original. Okay, it is not duplicate. Okay, unlike the virtual. Okay, because the virtual image, it is duplicate, it is not formed in front of the mirror, but it appears to be formed, okay, inside or from behind of the mirror, but actually there is no image behind the mirror. Okay, now without further delay, okay, now let's um, go into the real image. Now by definition, okay, from the book you will get that the definition says that, okay, when a ray of light, okay, what happened, it diverge from a point. When a ray of light, okay, this, let's say this is a point, okay, it diverge means it move from a single point this way. Okay, there are thousands of light rays, but let's consider only this four. Okay, what happened, after they diverge from a point, okay, after reflection or then refraction, converge at some point. Now here we'll take the convex, or here we'll take the concave mirror. Okay, why? Because you might ask the question, why is he taking the play or the concave mirror, but in the previous image he used the plane mirror? Because real image does not form on the plane mirror. Okay, it need a mirror that can converge. Okay, now what happened when they ray of light, okay, from a single point, when they reflect or refract, okay, they will converge at some point. See, this is just an example. Okay, see all this light, okay, they will meet in the same point. Oh, sorry, okay, this one should be here. Okay, now here if you draw the line in the middle, okay, they will meet at this point, you see, so the image form will be inverted. That is the definition. Okay, the definition of real image is when a ray of light, okay, from a single point, okay, they diverge, that means they go out from a single point to different direction. After reflection or refraction, then they will meet at some point. Okay, then that point where they meet together, okay, that is known as the real image. Okay, this image you can obtain it on a screen. Okay, unlike the virtual image. Now let's look into the diagram. Okay, I have prepared you, okay, a diagram. Okay, you see, you might ask the question once again, okay, why is he taking the curve or the concave mirror? Okay, why? Because as I've told you that real image will not form in the plane mirror. Because why? The image form is not in front of the mirror, but it is from behind the mirror. Okay, now when suppose now this is the object, okay, and this C is the center of curvature, and this P is the principal axis. Now again this dotted one, okay, this means that it is a polished concave mirror. Okay, and then this A1 is the object form, and this F is the principal this F is the focal point. Okay, now suppose now if you stand in front of a concave mirror, okay, suppose now this is you, okay, this is a human, okay, with the length L, okay, we don't know his height, but let's assume that it is length L. Okay, it can be 5 feet, 4 feet. Okay, when he stand in front of the concave mirror, what happened? Light rays from his body, okay, they will go to different direction. Okay, but remember, always for a minute, for an image to form, okay, there should be reflection, so light source should always be there. So examples, okay, this is a light bulb. Okay, this is a light bulb. So the photons, okay, the light source from the bulb, okay, it will hit the human. Okay, let's say the name of the person is James. Okay, James Bond. Okay, now when the light source, okay, from the bulb, okay, it hit the body of James Bond. Okay, what happened next? Then reflect or this is incident. Okay, then reflection will take place. Then many kinds of angle of this one ray, okay, will reflect to different direction, but we cannot take all the number of the ray of light, but let's take only 1 2 3 4. Okay, now for example, this is number 1. Okay, when this ray of light, okay, it strike the mirror, what happened? It will reflect back this way. Okay, why? Because the main character of a concave mirror is to converge. That means to make the ray of light to meet at single point. It can be here, it can be here, but it depends on the distance of the object from the center of curvature or the focus. Now we will not go specific into that because this is just a general idea. Okay, now suppose now another ray, okay, let's say ray number 2. Okay, ray of light, see, when it incident in the mirror, then this mirror, it will bend down to this point. Okay, against the ray number 3 also, and the ray number 4 also as well. The concave mirror, it will bend down. Okay, and then they will meet here in a single point. So this single point, okay, whatever image it form, okay, remember it is always inverted. It means that look at the arrow that I have drawn. Okay, here I draw the arrow, okay, upside. Okay, but in this case the head of the arrow is downside. You see, that's why the image formation of a concave mirror is always inverted. Okay, it is always inverted. That is the meaning of this one, real image. Okay, it is horizontally also, it is not vertically. Okay, it is horizontally. We'll come to that later. Okay, now I hope you understand, okay, the main role of the real image. The real image, remember in the previous class I've explained to you that when a ray of light hit the mirror, the plane mirror, okay, what happened? If you draw the line, okay, it appears that this line will meet in behind the mirror, but not in front of the mirror. But in this case, okay, see, the different kinds of ray, they will meet at where? At point A, in front of the mirror, not at the back of the mirror. That's why the image form is real and inverted. You can obtain this one in a screen. Okay, it can be, let's say, any white cloth or okay, a flex, you can use it. Now you see, even if you draw this line, okay, if you draw dot 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 imaginary line, okay, they will not meet each other. You see, they will not meet. Instead, they will go into their own different direction. So that's why the image will not form behind the mirror. What happened? The image will form in front of the mirror, but it is inverted. Da kasi ang da kongpong mo, da pishim ka shamoy mo, itu ibenta balong shapo kumne, itu balong kumne, ja yu da pipet kumne pini iya kadur la deba kalong kongpong mo, katu kadai ka nuksa babiang tam nak mentagai concave mirror phila manle kata hiang sa persyang mentaru lada pipet ya kaniaka video to. I hope you understand what is the meaning of real image. Okay, when a ray of light diverge from a single point, okay, into different direction, after reflection or refraction, what happened, they will meet at the same point. That same point, okay, it will form an image in upside down. Okay, now you will ask the question, what happened, okay, if an image is upside down? Okay, suppose now, let's see. Okay, I will make you more understand. Okay, now let's take a small piece of paper. Okay, now I will draw P. Okay, P. I will draw P. Sorry, I will draw a P. This is an alphabet. Okay, now I've told you that it will be upside down. Imagine this P, okay, it will stand like this. Okay, it will stand like this. So now see, it is a P, right? So if you rotate, okay, 180 degree, now it is in 90 degree. Okay, see, it is 90 degree. Now if you rotate it, how much? 180 degree. That means upside down. You see, this P formation is upside down. That is the same thing with the formation of image on the concave mirror. This image is real, okay? But in the previous class, okay, I've explained to you that the left will turn toward the right will turn towards the left. In this case, it will not do. Why? Because the image, or this image, will not turn vertically this way, okay, not this way, but what happened, it will turn upside down. That is 180 degree. See, this is 0 degree. If we turn this one, it is 90 degree. Then if you add again 90 degree, it is 180 degree. Okay, now that is the meaning of this, what, the horizon, the formation of image is known as the real image, and it is what inversion? It is the